Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Live Bree, and today I have another haul video. I just recorded my large scrapbook.com haul, and it's like that random one with all Christmas, Halloween, like Sweet Story, and just all that, you know, boo-boo. And so I'm coming on and doing another haul to do Joann's and just a small Hobby Lobby. I do have a large Hobby Lobby haul too, but this one is just small because it's a little bit of an older one. But I thought I'd share it with y'all anyway. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get started, try to get this done real quick. All right, so from Hobby Lobby, I went ahead and when the Tim Holtz stuff was on sale, I picked up the Distress Oxide and carved pumpkin and mustard seed. And so I picked that up for 40% off. And then when their stamps were on sale too, they were 40% off. I want to get back into card making, so I bought a bunch of card making stuff from Joann's. And from Hobby Lobby, I picked up this postcard stamp, which I thought was cute. It was $5.99 plus 40% off. And for birthday cards, I thought this was cute. They're $15.99 from Hero Arts, and this one is Festive Balloons. I just thought these were so cute. I don't know if they have a matching die, so that I could just die cut this. But yeah, I thought that was cute with the little tassels. So I grabbed that, and then the last thing was this die, and this was 40% off too, and this is the, I don't know, lot 6761, Build a Cake, there you go, Build a Cake Momenta die, and this was 40% off, $14.99, and you could just make this cake. Again, great for cards, and then also if you want to make embellishments, so got that. Alright, and then from Joann's, I did pick up a lot from the Damask Love Sunshine Boulevard and also the Obed Marshall collection. I might have a separate haul for those two. Sorry. I'll have a separate haul for those two because there's just, I just want those to be in a separate haul together. But I'll show you guys what I just recently picked up. So you'll see a couple of those things here. But I did pick up some of the embossing and watermark clear ink. These I think were 40% off, and I had an additional 20 at Joann's, or 25, so it became a lot cheaper. I want to try this. I use Versamark all the time, but I want to try that one from Hero Arts, and I love the Delicata Golden Glitz, so I went ahead and I picked up one of those. Sorry. So I went ahead and I picked up the Park Lane pastel cards and envelopes, and we just have pastel cards and then white envelopes. Oh, these would be really cute to make some cards for mail with. And then this was actually from Hobby Lobby, and these are just pastel envelopes, and these were 40% off, so I got those. And then again, back to Joann's, I picked up these Ideology clipboard clips. I'm hoping that I can use this for a project, so I picked up one of those. These were 40 plus the additional 25. I did get these were on sale as well, and they're just refills for my trimmer. I always have to get these because I use my trimmer so much that I always have to get refills. And then I noticed that my Crocodile, it still works, but the only thing is the bottoms of these are like slowly sliding off. And when my older punches from We Are Memory Keepers, when they were sliding off, it gets oily and nasty, and I don't want that to happen with this. And then they, like, I don't know, stop selling, or I mean, I'm pretty sure it's never going to stop selling, but I went ahead and grabbed a new one anyway. So this was on sale, and I was able to use a coupon on top of it, so I think, I'm not sure, maybe not, because it's We Are Memory Keepers, but I did get this on sale, so I went ahead and I picked that up. And then just I did buy a bunch of stamps. So I bought this thank you stamp, this peace sign. Again, these were really cheap because I used another coupon. This is Hand Me By. Special delivery. And have you guys seen my Flourish Happy Mail like video series? Actually, before I moved, I showed the bookshelf, sorry, like things like the bookshelf, like bookshelf tutorial. And I showed you guys my little like handmade, like, not stickers, but die cut pieces that I use on all my projects. Yeah, I haven't been able to reprint those or cut them because I haven't used my silhouette. So I just been buying like handmade stamps. But anyway, this one is A Little Party Never Hurt Nobody. And then this one came with two, and this is the handmade by stamps. And then I got this one from Heidi Swapp, and I just thought these were so cute, the summer themed ones, so went ahead and picked up those. These were really cheap. These were like $2 with all the discounts. And this is the Disney Princess one. I did get the Disney one, another Disney one, when it wasn't really on a good sale. So now, you know, I picked this one up just for my collection of Disney stamps. And then from Heidi Swapp, I picked up this one here from her Mink. And these ones are just like these little sentiments. You could use these on cards, on mail, envelopes. And then this one. And this one is more for like scrapbooking. Chris wants me to get back into scrapbooking. So, for me to make albums for us. So I bought this one. I thought this would be fun. And this is the back. And then this one here. And this one just has like the rainbow, don't forget, who, what, where. And I thought these were really cute to like document the who, what, and where and stuff. I'm sorry, the kids are outside. There's kids outside, so they're playing. So in case you hear them yelling. And I did get some of these Stampin' Cuts. So I got this Love. I thought the Sending You, All You... Is that what it is? Oh, Sending You Love would be cute. So I went ahead and got that. And this Love die cuts out. So you can... I always like to die cut and then stamp. I know it's like some people like to do the opposite. But I got that one. I got this one that says Thanks. Perfect for card making. And then I got this one for Christmas, which is the Mary. And I got these on a great deal, so that's why I didn't mind getting a Christmas one. If you guys see my scrapbook.com haul, though, you guys will see that I picked up a lot of Christmas and Halloween stuff already. But they're older collections. So I did pick that up as well. Alright. So my Joanns, luckily... I don't know, I got lucky because they sold out of a lot of things. But I did get the Marigold. I got this to gift, as a gift. So that one is just the little gold foiled 6x8 paper pad. And then I was lucky enough to find two more of the Garden Party 6x8 collection, or 6x8 paper pads. So I got two of those. And you guys, these were 40% off plus an additional 25, so I got them for like $3 or like $2, two something. But yeah, got lucky to see these there. And then there were just a couple 12x12 sheets left over, so I went ahead and I picked up this Garden Party. I just talked about that. This gingham, and then the blue little farm print. And then I'm actually going to skip out on showing you guys the Sunset Boulevard. I'll have that in a separate video. And then look how lucky I got on the stickers. I got 3 more of these stickers. Again, super cheap. Got them with an additional discount, so couldn't go wrong with the additional 25 plus the 40% off. So I got the last 3 on those. And another thing was the chipboard, and as you guys can see, it's kind of messed up right here, but you can't go wrong with a chipboard. So got another one of those. And then that might have been it. Hold on, here we go. Okay, last one, I guess. Sorry, I have some papers here, that's why they're from a different collection, which I want to show you guys in a different haul. Is this one right here. So this is the Garden Party Countryside, and it's the pink version of the blue one that we just saw, and then the back is this very eye bothersome, no, I'm just kidding, paper, and it's just the rickrack, like zigzag paper in black and white. But yeah, so that is it for my Joann's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that quick haul. I know it was super fast, and I showed you guys some of the Hobby Lobby stuff too, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. If you guys are getting into card making, definitely go to Joann's and pick up the stamps when they're on sale. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that you guys are watching this, and I will talk to you all on my next video. Bye!